Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another money making video, and in this video today we're just showing you how to make money uploading photos, your very best photos from your smartphone or from your computer, whichever way you want to do it. There's a lot of talk about uploading photos. Well, a lot of the websites are paying 25 cents and things, but you can make a lot more money when you go to some of the main sites, providing that your photos are very, very good quality. But like anything, you have to read the guidelines first before when you open an account. All the accounts you open are generally free, and when you upload your photos, make sure you get the image size correct. There'll be certain image sizes, like a minimum and a maximum, so make sure you provide the right size. And when you upload your images, your photos will be reviewed and they'll either be accepted or rejected. It's as simple as that. But the main thing is with websites like that is to just look on this image of Pixabay here. I mean, this is a free image website. But when you hover over the image, you can see basically how people can find this image. In this instance, the keywords where people would type in to find an image like this. So we got laptop, obviously, a woman, education, yeah, study, young, and computer. But really, you could also put frustration in here, maybe stress, office, corporate, business, anything like that, which can also describe this image. So it's so important to put as many keywords, think of as many keywords which are related to this image when you upload your images. Obviously, you're just throwing a wider net, and you'll make your images will be obviously found more, and you'll make more money. So it's all about casting a wider net, using as many keywords as possible to describe that image. So important. But you'll probably see when you see the terms and conditions, you'll see things like exclusive rights. And exclusive rights, if you give somebody exclusive rights to your image, it basically means that they are claiming the image as their own when they buy it. When the customer buys one of your images, they are claiming it as your own. And it's an image that's not been used in the past, and it cannot be used by anyone else in the future. So it's absolutely exclusive. So you cannot provide exclusive rights to an image basically on multiple channels. If you sell it, the exclusive rights on one site, you cannot keep offering it the same image on a different site. That's what exclusivity is all about. So the non-exclusive is probably the most common. You will get paid more for if you sell an exclusive image because you're selling the rights to the image. But with exclusive rights, this does not include copyright because this stays with the original photographer, which is yourself. So you're not giving up the copyright to the image. You're just giving it the exclusive rights to someone to maybe use the image as part of their logo for their business or something like that. And it will not be seen anywhere else. It cannot be seen. So that's just an outline of what you might come across, exclusive rights and non-exclusive rights. So let's crack on with this. So this is the first one I would have a look at. It's called Pickfair, and we just scroll down, and Pickfair will give you your own showcase store when you upload your images. As you can see, the images have got to be good quality, and it's exactly the same with any of these websites. Crystal clear they want, and they don't really want images of common places like Eiffel Tower, and because they've been taken hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of times. Unless it's something completely different, they probably won't even accept that image. So they want unique images basically. So this is Pickfair. Let's have a look what they. As you can see here, the image licenses. It tells you all about image licenses. what you can do with that. And normally Pickfair will pay you 100%. Let's look at this. Get started here. Pickfair pay you about 100%, unlike a lot of other companies. Let's have a look at the frequently asked questions and why is Pickfair different. So you can see here, some other agencies take a 50 to 85% cut when they sell your images, but with Pickfair you can set your own prices. So if you think you've got an excellent image of something very unique, you can basically charge whatever you want for it. Obviously the higher price you charge, the less you'll sell that image, but you get 100% of the price. And Pickfair just have 20% commission on top for the buyer's total, so that's their commission. Well, you would get 100%, which is pretty rare in this game. So that's Pickfair.com. Another one is Adobe.com, Adobe if you want to call it that. You can be a contributor to the Adobe stock library, and they pay 33% commission. As you can see, the images are very, very good, and if you just see on here, you can see this is basically what you'll see on the inside of your account, where you'll have some of your images which have been rejected, and that's quite common. So not all of your images will be accepted. They're just going to be top quality. That's all they want. And it's the same with all the websites. So you can say you can earn 33% of the actual of your actual images. The next one is Shutterstock, where you can sell images, video, and music. And Shutterstock have their earning levels. 6 levels actually, and they pay between 15 and 40%. But the more images that are downloaded, you would just move through the gears and move through the levels. So the more images that are downloaded, the higher commission you will get. But these are one of the main players, Shutterstock. Everybody knows about Shutterstock, and they'll have an absolutely huge database of clients. So you got more chance of selling your images. Next one's Alamy, something a little bit different. Alamy, you can see how many they got in stock, 255 million. Let's have a look. Is it on the bottom here? Become a contributor, and they pay out over $1 million every month. So you can see basically how much money is circulating in this uploaded images marketplace. Now, if you are a student at university, you can basically, a student-friendly website is Alamy, and they'll pay you 100% commission on your photos. So if you're a student anywhere in the world, and obviously all students need a little bit of extra income, then you'd be right to choose Alamy to upload your images. Like anything, just look at the terms and conditions with everything with these websites, because some of them are slightly different than others. The next one is probably the biggest in the world, which is Getty Images. Now, the images that you find on Getty are absolutely world class. It's basically a place for professional photographers. Now, some of your images might be as good as professional photographers, so there's nothing stopping you from uploading your images here. So they do photos, video, and illustrations, and they basically pay 15% on photos, 20% on videos, and the same with illustrations. But they're exclusive contributors, the people who obviously sell more, the real professional photographers, they get between 25 and 45%. So it's if your images are as good as the professionals, then don't be shy. Go to Getty Images and see what they can offer. This is another big one, CanStock Photo. Normally the link's at the bottom somewhere. There you go. Sell your image and clips, so your video clips and your images. Self-explanatory, this website really. Not quite sure how much they pay for getting started. Let's see if we can see this quickly. Oh, there you go. So this is your chart for your images, how much basically they're paying. It is for the seller, or just 1 second. That might be for the buyer. That I think. Let's see if we can find sell your images. There we go. Payout schedule. So this is what can stock photo payout. Small JPEGs for an instant download. They'll pay you $1. Obviously a lot more than 25 cents, which is some of the others are doing. And a lot of the actual customers can buy credit. So it's basically they would prefer people to buy lots of credits. They might buy 300, 400, 500 credits, and they get a discount basically on the image when they buy a lot of credits. So that's basically why you get only 50 cents when somebody downloads it from a credit account, as opposed to buying it as an instant download, and you get $1 off. That's for a small JPEG, large JPEG $2. So these can really mount up. These images, when if you get a few people buying them at the same, it's all a numbers game, I suppose. Really, the more the larger your library is, your photographic library, the more money you will make, and it all depends how good your photographs are. But a lot of them will reject your images if they're not top quality. The last one for this is 123 royalty free RF 123rf.com. Let's see what they offer. Partner program, maybe that. Oh no, sorry. There we go. Monetize your creations. There we go. And they will pay between 30 and 60% commission. So this pays quite well as well on 123rf.com. Normally they pay out on something like $50 to $100, and you can cash out to PayPal or Skrill, or I think they do wire transfers as well. But there's nothing stopping you putting all your images on all of these websites. The more the better. You get more chance of selling them, the more platforms you put your images on. Well, there you go. That's give you some food for thought, how you can make money with your photos. As long as they're good quality, they should sell. Just make sure the keywords are so important, and as many keywords which you keep people, so people can find your images quite easily, and just widen the net with as many keywords as you can think of, and your images will show up, and you've got more chance of selling them. So there you go for that. This quick one today, how to make money with uploading photos. I hope you enjoyed that. Please, as ever, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. I normally upload a 2 or 3 money making system videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe. And if you're interested in affiliate marketing, which is basically what I've been doing for the last 20 years, and I'm generally into high ticket affiliate marketing, so I can make $1,000 commissions. And if you're interested in doing that, I've done a free course on high ticket affiliate marketing where you promote high ticket offers and you can get paid $1,000 commissions plus. If that's of interest to you, I've done a free course, about 90 minutes long, 4 videos, and you will see that free course. Just sign up for that. It'll be in the description underneath this video. But as ever, thank you for giving me your time, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.